Hi guys, welcome to Family Fun and another segment of Ty's Quick Tips. Hey, one of the things I wanted to go over, we all have kids, we all have dogs, this and that, and the main thing we're concerned about is safety. So a lot of times what people don't realize and recognize is the grab handles on the outside of your travel trailer. When you're out there and you want to get up and in the unit and this and that, you have the normal handles on there. Everybody's familiar with this. So on this unit, if you ever have your screen door that's open and you have a small child, you have a dog or whatnot, and you're not wanting them to get out there, maybe you have one of those type of dogs that might scare people. And if you're not wanting that dog to get out, or there's other dogs around and the dog likes to fight, one of the things that can help you save that, and you still want to have your screen door open, is the reverse grab handle. And it's also safe if you have a little toddler or something not wanting to fall off the steps and hurt themselves. So the reverse grab, this is normal grab handle, and some of you guys might have it on your travel trailer now, but if you want to upgrade and you want to get one, this is what I'm talking about. And a lot of people don't even think about it, but this makes it so much convenient, so much easier and safe, because if you want to have your screen door shut and have the door open for ventilation, what you can simply do, because this is reversible, is put the handle this way. It locks into position. Now if your dog or your pet or your child pushes up against that screen, they're not going to fall out and go down the steps. Your dog's not going to get out and tear up another neighbor dog, and you're not going to have a vet bill, or you're not going to get sued. So one of the conveniences and uses of this handle is not just to get up and in, but it's also a safety feature for your child or your pet. But that's another quick segment of Ty's tips. Sorry guys, I don't hardly ever do that, but give us a call, 503-860-3356. Ty's Tips, Family Fun RV, come see us. Thank you.